Spring 2026 is here, ladies, and the makeup trends are fabulous, especially for mature skin like ours. If you are a woman over 50, the trends this spring are fabulous for our mature skin because it's all about soft skin, sun-kissed bronze look, pink cheeks, pink lips, and soft eyebrows. This is perfect for us, and today we're going to put on 5 of these products together. I've chosen a few that I think are perfect for us. This trend is excellent because we can do this not only in the spring of 2026, but we can do this spring, summer, and actually any time of the year. Before we apply those 5 products, my skin is ready to go. I've already applied my moisturizer, my sunscreen of SPF 50, and I've done my eyes. That way we can focus on these 5 products and get ready for spring. Now the first thing I chose for us today is foundation. Now to emulate this beautiful spring trend for 2026, it's all about softness. So the perfect foundation I chose for us today is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This foundation is a beloved product, and I thought it would give us that perfect look. So let me put on 1 dot. Here's my one, and I'm going to apply it real quick. And we're going to build this look. And please feel free to grab some products, and we can do this together. But for this spring trend, it's about everything being blurred, no harsh lines, nothing that, leaves a demarcation or that looks heavy. And because spring is upon us, this is what everybody is talking about, raving about in the beauty industry. All right, we've done it. That's it. I'm not going to apply anymore. That's our first step. And we are looking marvelous. Now the next thing I thought we would do for number 2, since the soft eyebrows is really popular right now, is add an eyebrow pencil. Now this one is by L'Oreal. It's their brow definer. It's one of those with that micro tip. So be careful how much you apply this, how hard you apply it, because you can break that tip. This is what it looks like. Now let's do this together. Now I'll show you my technique. It can go fast, but you have to start at the bottom and just make a line on the top and the bottom. That's it, like that. And then I just kind of fill in. See how easy this is? And this little brow definer, it has such a micro tip that's all. And I really stop before I keep going because I get out of control. If I keep working on my eyebrows, I make a big mess so fast. So I can always go back and add more. Do you do this with your eyebrows? How do you apply your eyebrow? Pencil or shadow or gel? Because if I do too much, I make it worse instead of better. After you've completed both sides with our little tiny micro pencil, this comes with a wonderful spoolie on the end. Let me show you. It comes with this little spoolie, and then you can lift them up like this. And if you choose to put on a gel, you can, but the trend, since that's our focus today, is about soft, easy arched eyebrows, and this really works and fits the bill for our product number 2. All right, on number 3, that sun-kissed glow is all the rage. And for mature skin, this is going to be a piece of cake for us because I've chosen this L'Oreal LUMI Bronze Stick. Now this stick looks tiny, but it's powerful. Let me show you. Now a lot of the bronzers are really orange, but I love this one for us because it's not too orange, it's not too pink, it's not too bright. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. See how it's just not too much? And once you blend it out, it's quite nice and it's very forgiving for our mature skin. So let's put it on together and get our sun-kissed glow. All right, all I'm going to do is do one swipe here and one swipe there. And we can add more. So let me smooth this out. Now watch how easy this is to blend. And in a matter of seconds, we've got the look. That's it on that side. Let's see over here. That's it. What do you think? Now, I think I'm going to add a tiny bit across my nose, like we just got kissed by the sun up here. Right there, not too much. And this product is very buildable. It's really soft, and I've worn this numerous times. It's never ever gotten into my crow's feet over here, and it doesn't fade away. Now, what I'm going to show you next, we are going to add pink to this, and that will blend and really make it look like we've had a fun day outside. Now, this is beautiful. What do you think of this, and what is your favorite bronzer? Please put in the comments below, because for mature skin, finding the right color is important, because we certainly don't want it too orange forward, but we don't want them gray. It's hard to find a good bronzer that's in between, that isn't so strong in one color or another. This one is quite nice because it's so soft you can blend it out. And if you make a mistake, it's easy to fix. But right now, that's a good start. So that was product number 3 of our spring trend. Now the next one is fun. What do you see this one? Now, because we want to do that pink fresh look to our spring trend, I found this really great Mousse blush. Have you seen this? This is by Maybelline. It's a mousse. Wait till I show you. It's fun to apply. This is what it looks like. It's in a pot, but beware. It is so pigmented, you have to really pull back on application, because one day I put this on when I first got it, and I was not only had pink cheeks, I had pink everything. So a little bit is best to start with, so I'm barely going to touch that. Look, I hardly have anything on my finger, but watch how much this applies and how beautiful the color is, especially with our bronze stick. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to put my one dot, because when I apply blush, I'm trying to lift up my face, so I always go right there. I don't have cheekbones to speak of, but right here is where I usually place it, and then I blend. Okay, let's try this. All right, I'm going to go right here, and I know it looks high, but watch. This is going to give us a sun kiss, like we went outside, took a walk. Oh my goodness, and you get the whole look without the sun damage, right? Isn't that awesome? All right, here we go. That's it. It takes seconds, and it really looks beautiful. These two products together give you the sun kiss glow, and it's radiant. It's so beautiful on mature skin. It's beautiful on any skin. But when I found this combo, I couldn't wait to show you. Now let's balance ourselves out, put some on the other side. Now once again, very little. Most often when I apply this, I take a tissue and I dab it on the tissue, because wow, can you overdo this in a New York minute? So let me balance out this side. I'm up here by my eye, like that. And then I'm going to blend right here. My goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, and by the way, now I've worn this on numerous occasions. It doesn't fade. It did not like slip and slide off my face. I'm very impressed with this product because it has longevity, beautiful color, and the assortment of colors they have are really fabulous. But when you look at them in the store or online, they look a little overdone. I mean, it's kind of scary because you look on the outside and you think, oh my, that is too dark. But when you blend these colors in, look at what happens. It's very nice. We are really, really working this spring trend. Okay. Now, product number 5 is a lip product. Now, I was looking for us to follow this spring trend of a pink lip, and we wanted something to complement our pink sun-kissed cheeks. So I found this. It's a new product, at least new to me. It's by Maybelline. It's a Glaze. This product is a lip balm and a lip oil in one. It's very hydrating, so it looks fabulous on mature lips because it softens, it smooths the lines, but what's great about this is it actually has longevity. You know, a lot of those oils come right off. A lot of the balms, some of them are thick and waxy. This one is perfect. Watch. Now this color is in Rose Bite. What a cute name. Now look how this is on mature lips. There we go. What do you think? This new product is really excellent on mature lips because it softens and it smooths, but I've noticed on every time I've been testing this for us, it does not bleed. It doesn't feather and emphasize the lines around my lips. So I've enjoyed this. Have you seen this? Let me know. And they've got a great assortment of colors as well. I picked up a peach colored one and I picked up this one. But since we're doing our spring trend 5 products, I thought this really would complement the rest of our look, and we've done it. So let's go over what we've got. This is our final spring look. Do you like it? I want you to try it and get back with me. You know, get something, any kind of foundation that your skin peeks through, like a skin tint or anything similar to this. Get yourself a eyebrow pencil and do it lighter than your normal shade and keep your eyebrows soft. That's that trend. Oh, by the way, this color was ash brown. And get that sun-kissed look without the sun damage. Find yourself a bronzer. But the key to that sun-kissed look is adding the pink with it. And this Maybelline, this is called Cloud Topia. Oh, I wanted to tell you this. This is in the color Enchanted Mauve. All right, so just for reference, if you want to know, this is number 08 Enchanted Mauve. And then finally, our 5th product is our lip. And it's this Maybelline Glaze Oil Balm. And this one is in 003. And this is that Rose Bite. So to complete our spring look, it's simple, it's uncomplicated, and it's actually fun to do. But the great thing about this is we have a look for our mature skin that is effortless. And with a few products that are all under $15, you simply can't go wrong. And look at the radiance that we have for spring, for summer, and we can wear this year round. Thank you so much for stopping by today. It was so much fun putting on the spring 2026 makeup look together with you. I'll see you in the next video, and please like and comment and subscribe. It really helps out the Ageless channel, and that way we can see each other and do our makeup together all the time. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great rest of your day.